After knowing this, you will want to sleep with an onion on your feet. Anyone who has ever peeled or consumed onions knows that they have an unbearable smell that makes you cry. What many people do not know are the various uses that the onion has, and these go far beyond the traditional use in the kitchen. Today, I will teach you what it takes to place an onion on your feet before going to sleep. And apart from that, I will give you other incredible onion tips that you never imagined could be done. Pay attention, the good starts now. For this trick, the first thing you have to do is take an onion and cut it in half. Then take a sock and put it on your feet, as it should not move. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. The unbearable smell of the onion is due to the sulfur it has. By fixing it on the feet with a sock, this makes the sulfur enter directly into the body, which helps fight bacteria and toxins. As a consequence, this trick is very good for treating colds and congestions. This is a traditional technique commonly used in Asia, and that has become popular in recent years. Now I will show you other unusual uses with onion that you may not have known, and I know they will be helpful. Number 1. Avoid making you cry. After peeling it, immerse it in water for 15 seconds, and then it stings as usual. The water calms the sulfur and prevents tears from coming out. Number 2. Relieve burns. If you have a burn when cooking, you just have to cut a piece and rub it in the area, and the onion will do the rest of the work. Number 3. Mosquito repellent. Add a good amount of chopped onion to a container with hot water and let it sit for an hour. Then pour it into a jar and you will have a very effective homemade repellent. Number 4. Remove the smell from the chopping board. Rub half an onion on the chopping board and it will remove that smell that you could not even remove with liquid soap. If you know any other onion trick, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Elizabeth Olmedo from Spain and for Marilyn Pineda from El Salvador. Thanks for watching our videos. I say goodbye wishing you rich blessings. Until next time.